we actually need to talk about the fact that so many people just get extensions by the first stylist that they see that posts pretty hair extension photos. But it's so much deeper than that. I've been doing extensions for over 7 years now. And through that, I've literally spent over $30,000 on extension training, okay? This is something I'm very passionate about, and I've taken the best of everything that I've learned in all different places and all different methods, and I've combined everything to create what I offer now inside of the salon. And when I tell you my guest's hair is growing longer and stronger with each appointment, like, that is my why. I love seeing my guest's hair get healthier. I love having the conversation of, like, do you even want to wear these? You really don't even need them. Like, I hate to say it, but, like, you don't need them, okay? And I love getting to that point because that is why we even have to wear extensions. That's why we wear them. I'm going to share with you the before photos of my guest when she first started wearing extensions. I'm going to share with you her photos from this morning. And I tell you, it's insane. She literally didn't even think her hair could grow. Like, she was like, no, it's not possible. And we did the impossible.